Welcome to Luca and Miguel. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to draw Ferrari 488. Start by sketching the basic proportions with light lines, focusing on wheel placement and silhouette. Use simple ovals for wheels and soft curves for the body, then refine the roofline, hood, and rear fenders using reference angles. Block in windows and headlights next, erase construction marks, and proceed to add panel lines, intakes, and the iconic side vents carefully. Focus now on line quality and forms to bring the Ferrari 488 to life. Use confident, continuous strokes for outer contours and short, precise strokes for internal details. Pay close attention to the front bumper, splitter, and headlight shapes to capture the car's aggression. Keep wheel rims simplified at first, then draw spokes and brake calipers, and add cross-contour lines lightly for polished results and highlights. If you're enjoying this guide, please subscribe and like the video to help me make more art tutorials. Quick recommendation: The Simple Path to Wealth is a book that can shift how you think about money and time, which pairs nicely with investing in your creative skills and tools. It offers clear, practical advice and calm perspective you might enjoy. Check the description for the link and other deals, and grab it if you're curious. Now let's get back to the video. Shading and reflections define the Ferrari 488 form, so study your light sources carefully before you shade. Use thin hatching for subtle gradients and smooth blending with a stump on glossy panels. Render reflected environment shapes to suggest curvature and depth, keeping edges crisp where metal meets shadow. Add specular highlights with a white gel pen or eraser, then layer color while maintaining saturation on central planes for realism.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.